Hello, my name's Mike, I'm from Access Irrigation, and in this video we'll be looking at the professional lawn sprinkler. I say professional because it uses top quality products. The Hunter shrub head sprinkler, the sled base, and the professional geeker type fittings for connection to the hose. It also has the quick coupling type pushing fittings as well. So you'll have the whole range there. Let's look at the sprinkler itself. This is a Hunter, as I say, shrub head sprinkler. It has the PGP range of nozzles, and you'll get a sprue of nozzles, 8 normal ones and 4 low angle, and it'll cover the whole range up to about 12 meters. We'll give you a chart of how far the sprinklers go, how much water it uses, and what hose to supply with it as well. To change the nozzle, you'll just use the Hunter key, and you use the hex part of it. You'll push it down there and undo the scrub screw. Pull out the nozzle and change it. And you'll notice on the sprue itself, it gives the numbers, but also on the nozzle itself, it'll give the number as well, just in case you've lost the sprue. Push it fully back in, and then make sure when you're screwing it in that the grub screw goes right down and locks the nozzle in place, but doesn't interfere with the spray. When you get it, it'll be pre-assembled with a fitting at the bottom and already PTFE'd, so you won't need to worry about those. You'll also get an elbow for the connection for the hose, and then you get the choice of geeker type fittings or quick coupling type fittings. And it's an elbow, so this will terminate. The idea is that you just have one. To assemble, pop it in, and then just screw the elbow on like so. Just got to make sure it's nice and tight, and also the elbow ends up pointing in the right direction for obvious reasons. Very stable. You can use pegs in it if you want to, but generally speaking, with this and the weight of the hose, then it will be quite sturdy and quite stable. To connect it, you just put your hose on, obviously, and then you can adjust the arc of it, so you can have it a full 360 degrees or have it right down to 40 degrees, whichever setting you want it. And that's done very easily by again using the Hunter key and the peg, plus or minus there. Very nice little unit. As I say, just make sure you've got the water supply to do it with the nozzle that you're going to be using.